So this is the mobile app. Maybe you've seen here this one. How many of you seen these logos? See these icons, for example, this one. Look at here. The CollPoll, it is called as a CollPoll. This Microsoft Teams also available. I can chat and communicate with you all on this particular platform easily. I can call, I can make, even using the phone itself, I can attend the meetings too. That's possible. Okay. So how about this CollPoll? The CollPoll is something which is used for accessing the university services. So what are the main highlight about this? The main highlight is about there are various okay. So there are various booths are available, especially here. Yeah. So there are various booths. For example, look at here, help center. See at the bottom you can find. I think if it is Android, you will have a different type of arrangement. But this is the iOS, so you have a different type of arrangement. See at the this is the home page. See in the home page, if you press this button here, can you see that here? Mahi Dubai is there, right? If you click on it, you can see your details. See what are the details, like your number, your position, your which year, all the details will be available on this particular one. How many of you using this app? Okay, if you're not downloaded, please download and use it. In case if you have a difficulty of accessing this particular app, you don't have a credential or something, you can use IT services at manipaldubai.com. Okay, IT services at manipaldubai.com, that you can use it. That is a very useful, handy email ID, especially for all the technical issues of any of your account, whether it is a LMS password is not there, you have not received any account, you already got the registration number, but you have not received the DSB account. Those initial preliminary things that can be get easily by sending a mail to itservices@manipaldubai.com. Okay, once you got these details, then you can easily log into the account and you can make use of all of the stuff. Look at here, in this particular app, you see it is showing various things. See, poll, news, calls, e-notice. Okay, when you click on notice, for example, look at again this one. When I click on notice, whatever the news which has been published by the academic president, mostly e-notice will be sent by the administration department. So like holidays, whether that is they have announced any results, they have released the results, all this important. Let us say you have something holiday information, you have some information from the KHDA, all this news, the main highlight news will be published in the notice. If you want to go back, just click on the same button here, it will go into that. Okay, so here you can just select with the locations here, academics and all the stuff. Okay, in case if you click on academics, what happened? Faculty members, even students, the administration department, they will sometimes publish some news. See, they have, let us say, academic department. See, deputy registrar has said results declared for students of SOIT. Results announced for. They will give you all this information. You can just have a look at. You can browse. You can upload it. In case if you wanted to uh, post anything, you find something good, important news, you wanted to share with all the students, you just go to click here, see on the top, this one. So click on here, click on the here you can see the post. See here what you want to post. You want to post, for example, yeah, category, whether it's a news or general or academics related. Let us say if it is a news, just click on the news and you can say to whom you wanted to publish this news. Absolutely. So mostly if you are belongs to, say, if you want to know make that news to appear for the entire university, you can choose moneypoll.com. In case if you wanted to publish the news only for School of Engineering and IT, you click only the particular room. So try to publish the news which is relevant to the particular school, that will be more appreciated, rather than, because a life science school may not be interested in induction motor, some new invention is there, nobody will interested. So in that case, you just put it in the School of Engineering and IT, that will be more appreciated. Better identify which type of room you wanted to publish that news, you put it. That's the one case. This is for publishing news. You can put pictures, you can put you cannot upload videos. Actually, you can upload pictures, animation, GIF pictures. In case if you have a YouTube link, you can easily paste it. Okay, as a video, you cannot upload anything over here, but you can upload only the pictures and YouTube links. Now, one more important, very handy thing, message. In case if you wanted to chat with anyone, you just need to type in the name. See, go to the new message area. You click here and type the name of the person, and you can get. Okay, I'm just typing Raj because Raj don't know. So Raj, I think just put some name. I can easily click on that person. So important thing is you can chat with anyone in this college. You just need to select the person's name and you can chat. Okay, so don't send a message to the faculty, sir, you are Javed Nazir or Nazir Javed. Don't ask this kind of questions. Just for a joke. So you can chat with the faculty member individually, the faculty member also. Apart from that, if a faculty member wants to send a message to the particular class, also they can easily send a message over this. You can get it out. Now, important highlight over here is the class, the help center. See, campus help center. When you click on help center, do you see at the right hand side top, there's a one plus symbol is there. Click on the plus symbol, and here you will get various facilities in the college. Look at here, visa department. I want something information about the visa department. I have class, I don't want to stand in the queue. Don't worry, you just type the message here, visa department, and tell exactly what you want. Let us say this is the Manipal sponsor or one sponsor, Manipal sponsor. Now you have so many queries. I want to do the visa cancellation. I want to do the renewal. I wanted to have this medical test. If you want to have any information regarding this one, you just click and then let us say I want to have visa renewal. You just enter your details and your phone number and the description. Once you send create, you see on the top there is a create is it. After entering all the details, when you say create, there is a token ID will be created and that ID will come to you, and also that ID will go to the visa department. The visa department, they will have, and they will try to complete within 48 hours of the receiving the ticket. So that is a one important highlight. So try to make use of this particular facility. In case in your case, in your classroom, okay, there is a issue with the some projector, for example. So you can just go to IT. Look at here, IT help desk. See, you have a email, LMS, Wi-Fi, projector, MS Dynamics. So you have all different categories. Let us see if you have projector. See that not working, cable issues, no clarity, some details. So if there are 40 students in the classroom, it is not necessary 40 students make a complaint about the projector. Maybe you can allocate in your classroom. This person will report to on CollPoll to the IT department regarding the projector cable issues, projector issues, anything whichever Wi-Fi issues. One person assigned, maybe the class representative or somebody secretary in the class, whoever it is, they can do this task rather than 20-30 people are sending the same message. 403 projector not working, 403 projector not working. So instead of that, so you can use it reasonably, but you have the facility. You don't need to go and then ask the guy for not, I don't know, I have this is not working, this is not functioning. You have the full facility here in hand. You can do the stuff. Apart from that, look at here, lost and found is there. In case if you have lost something by mistake, somewhere left it or somewhere you forgot, you can put it over here. Even that picture also you can if you have any old picture or something, you can easily send, so that whenever there is a item identified by the college, any what you call the helping person or service person, they will give to the lost and found area room. It will be with the facility manager. So if you tell the identity, they will call you. They can send you a message. Once you raise this request, they will call you back, and you can get the items back easily. That is a one advantage. Apart from that, you have a information about the clubs and chapters. Look at here. If you come to the main sheet itself, you see here clubs and chapters. See, clubs, chapters, and societies. See, there are so many things are there. So look at here. There are more than 18 plus chapters are there. Okay, including your social activities, your professional activities, all the activities, they will put the details out here. In case if there anything is happening, some students chapter activity happening here, they will post the details here. Look at here, they will post the details. See, any competition details, any information about the event, registration forms, sometimes the event pictures, all the details. Is there any guest lecture is happening here? Everything they will post in this particular area. So if you have the app, you can easily move around in the campus, and then you can get all the details about the campus. Okay.